Chapter 1, Introduction. Definition of behavioral finance. Behavioral finance is a relatively new and interdisciplinary field that seeks to understand and explain the peculiarities of human behavior in financial decision-making. Traditional finance theory assumes that all individuals are rational, utility-maximizing actors who make decisions based on all available information and with the aim of maximizing their wealth. However, behavioral finance challenges these assumptions by showing that human behavior often deviates from rationality and can be influenced by a range of psychological factors. One of the key concepts in behavioral finance is the idea of bounded rationality, which suggests that individuals do not have the cognitive capacity to process and analyze all available information when making decisions. Instead, they rely on cognitive tools such as heuristics and shortcuts to simplify complex decision-making processes. This can lead to systematic biases and errors, which can have significant implications for financial markets and individual investment decisions. Another important concept in behavioral finance is prospect theory, which was developed by psychologists Daniel Kahneman and Amos Tversky in the 1970s. Prospect theory suggests that individuals do not make decisions based on the final outcomes of their choices, but rather on the perceived gains and losses relative to a reference point. This means that individuals are often more sensitive to losses than to gains, and are prone to making decisions that seek to avoid losses rather than maximize potential gains. Behavioral finance also explores the role of emotions and social influences in decision-making. For example, research has shown that individuals often exhibit irrational behavior driven by emotions such as fear, greed, and overconfidence. Furthermore, individuals can be influenced by social factors such as peer pressure and herd behavior, leading to groupthink and market bubbles. Overall, the field of behavioral finance recognizes that human behavior is complex and often irrational, and seeks to understand how these behavioral biases and heuristics can impact financial decision-making. By incorporating insights from psychology, sociology, and other social sciences, behavioral finance provides a more nuanced and realistic understanding of how individuals make financial decisions, and offers important implications for both theory and practice in finance and investment. Evolution of behavioral finance. The evolution of behavioral finance has been a fascinating journey, as it has come to challenge and redefine traditional economic and financial theory.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?